Yo! Welcome back to another motherfucking vlog, baby!
Hello.
We got Lorenzo, we got Jose, and then we got my boy Jake in the back right now. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. I know y'all don't like the last time, all that talking and shit like that, all right? Hey, thank y'all for all the views, all the likes, all the comments, man. I appreciate y'all so much. And yes, I did cut my hair, as y'all can tell. So whoever doesn't watch me on my other social medias, y'all are gonna probably be the first ones to see this. So, but other than that, man, we're on our way to the shooting range. These guys want a rematch with the champ. Y'all know who that is. Who was that? I'm sorry?
Me.
Jose?
I'm sorry, who is it?
Big Daddy back here.
I'm sorry, who is it? Oh, you don't know yet. You just been watching the vlogs. You don't know yet though, right? Let me explain. No, let me explain who it is, because both of these guys are wrong. Y'all know who it is. Y'all know who it is. But hey, I got some new challenges today for y'all, man. Got some new challenges for us. Man, we're gonna have some content today, guys, all right? We're gonna be shooting our guns. Also, we have new guns here. We got Jake's guns. We got my personal gun now. And man, y'all get to see all the guns that we're gonna be bringing. And also, Lorenzo has his own now. Man, we're doing all kinds of stuff with the gun vlogs, man. It's really getting cool. It's getting fun. And we're not gonna freeze our asses. It's not that cold. Is it that cold?
Just gotta do a circle jerk.
Yeah.
So it's warm.
That's it. Who's got me? Who's got me?
I got you.
Okay, man.
I got the cheeks. Yeah, I'll put the shit out your cheeks. Yeah. I will. Nothing but friction back there.
Number static, baby. Number static. But yeah, man. Other than that, guys, I hope y'all enjoy the vlog, man. Don't forget to hit that like, man. Tell them to hit that like, man.
Hit the like button.
What's up for the yeah? Hit
bitches. Hit the like button.
Damn, bitches.
Why you calling the family bitches?
Because they're bitches.
Hey, he didn't mean it, guys. Y'all kick his ass. Y'all say fuck you, Lorenzo, in the chat, all right?
Fuck you,
I mean,
Lorenzo. Fuck you, Lorenzo.
Other than that, man, don't forget that like, hit that share, man. If you have not followed, you are new to this fucking family, welcome to the goddamn WURRRK familia, man. Y'all see that sweater back there? You see that shit? Yeah, welcome to the family, man. Other than that, we'll see y'all later, guys. We're gonna be doing some contests and stuff like that. So look at these guys.
Are you talking about Lorenzo's sweater?
No, I'm talking. Let me see. Let me see.
I didn't even ask you. Why you gotta go there? I didn't even ask you. Could have had one. But we're not gonna bring up that.
Oh yeah, you don't have one of these, Lorenzo?
Jose don't either.
I never tried to get one yet. Wait, watch, I'm gonna get one before you.
Oh.
You ain't getting shit.
I've had this for 2 years.
He's had that for 2 years. That's the last Halloween drop, huh?
This is my birthday present.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's his birthday
Must
present.
be nice.
Feels like Jay's holding me.
You gotta wear
It feels like Jace holding me. Other than that, man, hey, we'll see y'all out on the field, guys. Don't forget, who do y'all think? Right now, I need y'all to comment. Who do y'all think is gonna win the first competition, the second competition? I think we're doing a third competition.
Big Zaddy right here.
Who do y'all think is gonna win? You got Jose, that's airing up his tire. You got Lorenzo,
right
sexy
here,
Lorenzo.
I got my glickety glock, you know what I'm saying?
Oh my God, he thinks because he got a Glock that he's gonna do something.
I got my baby, that's why. You know what?
He's gonna put the beat in.
And then we got Jake. So y'all let us know. Y'all let us know who do y'all think, or your boy, Mr. Motherfucking Work.
You ain't gonna work.
Let us know.
You ain't gonna be like that, eh? It ain't gonna work, eh?
Why not?
Get the hell out of here, eh?
Why do you think you're gonna win?
Because I'm Mexican food.
Other than that, we'll see you on the field, guys. Peace. Alright guys, so we're back out here on the field, man, with guns and stuff like that we are going to be shooting. As y'all know, I explained the last round, I do have my 12 gauge, it's my 420 Stevens, and then we have, we're going to be doing the AR again today. Hi! Get out! We're going to be doing the AR again today, so we're going to be going with the AR, trying to zero out the sight. Try to zero out the sight. And then we got, what y'all doing, man? Y'all ready to lose or what?
Yeah.
Then we got the babies, man. So we got the, which was this one again?
That's the Beretta.
We got the Beretta right here. The 9mm Glock. This is the one, right here. So 9mm Glock right here. Cleared out. We got this is Jake's right here. Jake.
That's it, 500.
Right?
Yeah, it's not turned on.
No, it's on.
Is it? They're gonna say I'm cheating, y'all. That's Taurus G2.
This is the Taurus G2. This is both the Jake's
got daddies.
We got daddies right here. This one's mine right here, guys. This is my newest one. It's the P365 SIG XL. This is the one I'm going to be shooting today. It's my baby. It's my conceal.
And the nail gun.
And the nail gun.
The nail gun.
And we got the nail gun. So, as y'all can tell, we're going to be shooting all these today, man. I have not shot this one or this one or this one. So, Lorenzo said this is a beast. The 9mm Glock. I don't believe it. But my baby is a beast, so I'm going to show him what it is. All right, guys. We got 10 rounds in the clip. I mean, of course, mine holds more than that, but we're doing 10 rounds, all of us. Everybody's getting loaded up with their guns, putting 10 rounds in each one.
Lorenzo got 15.
You better not have 15, Lorenzo.
No, I got 10.
We got 10 rounds and all the guns. 10 rounds and all the guns. What do you want to say? They actually were talking about you, bro, in the last vlog. They said you sucked and they knew you were going to eat the worm. What do you...
Show y'all.
Nah.
He needs more shots.
You better not put no more than 10.
No, it's gonna be 10.
All right. So this is how we're going to do it this time. Y'all know I do it fun, man. You know we got to do it. We got 2 rounds. Each one. We're going to do chest and we're going to do the head. 2 rounds. Same like last time. Now, here's the thing. When we go and we shoot, remember the last time we were talking about the X? So we came up, if we hit the X in the middle, that is 3 points. That is added 3 points, okay? That's automatic 3 points, but it has to hit the X. It can't be right next to the X, it has to hit the X, okay? 2 rounds. First round, then second round. We're gonna check them out each round, okay? And then from there, we're gonna see who loses. I do have a treat for y'all again today, guys. We're not eating nothing crazy, but what we're doing is, the first competition, whoever loses the first competition, they're gonna have to walk up to about right there and back, like a model, but like you know what I mean, like sway, like, you know what I mean, like they gotta walk like, you know, like a woman. They gotta walk like a woman that way, but it has to be good. Let me see, Lorenzo, show them how a woman should walk.
Show her the loser.
Wait, better than that. No, we ain't gonna let that slide. It has to be better than that. We want to see some hip tearing in. We want to see some arms swinging, everything, all right? So first loser, y'all gonna get to see that. Y'all need to comment. Let me know, man. Who do y'all think is gonna be the first loser, all right? We're gonna go ahead and get started, and we'll go from there, all right? Here we go. Woo! You got a middle, bro. No, you didn't. You only got one, bro.
You're doing the X on the outside of the X. Yeah. You only got one?
Yeah, you only got one.
What do you mean?
No, in the center.
So in the center?
Yes.
There's 2 of them.
There's
right
one. Oh my God, no.
There's 2 right next to each other, bro.
Is there?
Yes, there is.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Right on the line in the inside. Calm down.
I don't know, we have to...
Talk your shit.
I ain't got what the fuck you mean I suck?
I already did. Well, we got to go up there.
Out of 10 shots, you only got 2.
And that's without a little scope thing, whatever you want to call it. I turned it out. I'm just letting you know. I turned it out right now to hit the dot. You know what I'm saying? I'm just letting you know. I'm just telling you.
You don't need a scope for a pistol.
Yeah, I don't need all that extra shit.
You need it to help you.
No, I don't.
Is that your excuse on Apex? I need a scope. I need a scope.
As y'all can tell, there's some shit talking here, but hey, only one person shot yet. We haven't seen this fucker shoot yet. And
He shoots.
we know about Jose. Jose's okay, but you know, let's see what you got, Jose. Remember, center shots, first round. Lorenzo has 2. Yo, Lorenzo said, where you at? That boy hit the X. He hit the X, I think, bro. That's 3. I think he hit the X. I don't know. It doesn't look like you hit it.
It's the side of the
It's the side of the X? Damn. All right, come on, Jake. Let's see what you got, baby. What are you using?
FN.
All right, you using the FN? All right, Jake's turn. Oh, fuck. Subtract from the head, guys. Remember that. Subtract from the head. All right, Jake. Ooh, close. Yeah!
Hey, don't throw your pistol like you threw your remote.
Turn, big sexy. Where were you at? Where were you at?
It's been a while since I shot. I mean,
Oh,
tried.
excuses. Only got one. Only got one. That shit tough.
Damn.
That's a bad one.
One.
It's my first time shooting that gun. It felt good to shoot it, but I missed a lot.
Hey, you know what's crazy?
You know it. It's that block, baby. I'm telling you. That block.
Lorenzo's. All right, guys. I messed up. It's my first time shooting that gun. Okay, so
10.
but we got second round. Second round's going off right now.
I checked it. It's in.
10. Cheater. 10. Cheater. 10.
All right, come on. I'm gonna count them while you shoot. So,
That's gonna fuck my horse, man. This is a gun.
all right.
This is gonna close.
Yep. Not even me, bro. I got one.
Oh, I got one too.
Oh shit. Damn.
Telling you that Glock.
Is that, you already cocked it? I bet. All right, Jake didn't get nothing. Yeah. Come on. It's up to you, sexy.
Hold on. I think you need a little thrust.
All right, here we go. Oof. It's two right. Yeah, all right.
See what Jake got? He ain't got shit. Look.
Oh, shit. Oh. Oh. Oh, shit. Jake got what? 1, 2. Jake, hey, you got 2. You got 3? 1. That's 2.
The third one's on the line, so I don't know.
The middle one.
We gotta,
We'll have to go out there and look. Yeah, we'll have to. So what are you working with? What do you have?
I don't know.
All right, we'll have to do that. All right.
Come on, man. You actually gonna lose?
Let's see.
I'm that two-time champion.
It came with the heat today.
Oh, there you go.
Okay.
The focus, guys. The focus. Look at him. The focus.
Got 4.
Didn't lose, baby. I told y'all, let me get this my gun.
We got one more round.
Woo! Huh?
We're doing one more
No,
round.
this is it. Huh?
Side up.
Is it really?
Me and him.
Well, we got to see who's sudden death. All right, guys, we're gonna check out Lorenzo's first. Let's see what we got. Damn, bro, we're all over the place still, though.
Does that count? It's on the line.
If it's in the line, then you're good. So that counts. That's 2, 3, 4. You got 4. 4. But look where you're at, though.
Yeah.
So we got to work on that again. Look, like, you know, those are the first rounds, but you're all over the place. But it's way better than last time, bro. Remember the last time? You were up here. Now look at this shit. That's good, bro. All right, we got Jose's next. Jose's always in the middle, so that's good. But look at that. Oh, shit. No, that ain't it, Jose. That ain't it. Yup, that was close. That's 1, 2, 3. That don't count. That's 3. All right, Jose's all in the middle too, chat. All right, here we go. All right, we got another one. This one's Jacob's. Jacob's is that counts, right? All right, so 1, 2, 3. Jacob got 3. All in the middle around Jacob though. That's good.
Don't worry about that one.
Yeah, 1 headshot, so it's a minus headshot when we go for the headshots. Good job.
I have 4.
You had 4.
You got 1, 2, 3, and 4.
I got 4 too as well, but look where I'm at though. Look where I'm at though. Where none of this. Look at this. Woo-hoo-hoo! I'm so excited.
So this next round, we gotta do one more round, right?
Well, let me see. We're all tied?
Me and him are tied.
4-4.
All right, let me do one more round. All right, we're going into sudden death because everybody here is tied. All of us. We got Jake and Jose tied, and then me and Lorenzo are tied. I don't know how the hell me and Lorenzo are tied, but. All right, guys, so it's sudden death. Instead of doing 10 bullets for this round, we're gonna do 5 each. So that means you got limited time, limited bullets. So
Gotta make it count.
gotta make it count. 5 bullets, sudden death. This is me and you, motherfucker.
Good luck.
Yeah. 5. Concentrate. Concentrate. You didn't hear shit. You didn't hear shit. I won, baby. Watch this. I won. All right, come on, Jose. You got to at least beat Lorenzo, bro. Come on. We want to see that walk. Come on. Trey, remember, squeeze that trigger a little bit more before you shoot. Damn, did it shit, Jose? Did it shit? What are you doing? All right, Jake, this is your opportunity to get this dub. This is your opportunity. No. No. Come on! What are y'all doing? It's still a tie. That means both y'all got to do it if I make it.
I'll tell you, you didn't want to.
No pressure, Jake. No pressure.
Excuse this.
No pressure.
Yup.
No.
No.
Winner.
You got a winner, chicken dinner.
That's right, baby.
See?
That's right, baby.
You got lucky.
Woo! That's all water. Yeah, that's what I thought, baby. That's what I thought.
Me and him still
Yeah, so both y'all lost. You know what? 2 bullets. 2 bullets. 2 bullets. I kicked your ass.
Well, no, it has to be 1 bullet because I got 4. Okay.
Yeah, 1 bullet. Yo, you're already in. It's between you. It was between me and you with sudden death.
2 bullets.
2 bullets.
2 bullets. Sudden death.
2 bullets, sudden death between y'all two. Y'all gotta break this tie. Y'all gotta focus.
We're in the gulag.
Yeah, y'all in the gulag. Yeah, let's go. Come on, Jose. Concentrate. Nope. All right, this determines if both y'all walk or one of y'all walk. Come on, you got 2 bullets. Concentrate. Oh, here we go. Start from here. You start from here and you go to here. I want a motherfucking walk. Hey, I want to see. Hey, yeah, there you go. Come on, Jacob, get over here. Come on, both of y'all. I want to see a walk and come back. How you feeling about
I
this?
felt real good.
About to see some sexiness. Let's see it. This is what the losers got to do. They got to do a sassy walk. Hey, I'm talking about we want to see some hip thrusting. Come on, Jose. Let's go, boys. Let's go. You gotta keep going. You gotta keep going. Go back. Do a spin, Jose. Do a spin. Come on, Jake. Come on, Jake.
I'm good.
right, we're going to the second round. We're doing headshots now. Jake has one on the headshots already. That's -1. Guys, y'all let me know who did the walk better, Jake or Jose. Put it in the comments right now. Comment. Let me know.
I did that walk. I did it. I fucking did
He
it.
did or you got it?
He got me on that one.
Y'all comment. Let me know what y'all think. Here goes second round headshots. Let's get it. All right, I got the next challenge, guys. The next challenge is whoever loses the next challenge. It's the headshot challenge, okay? 2 rounds. Whoever loses the next challenge, they have to go pick up a bullet right in front of this guy. Pick up a bullet, but arch their back and their butt close to his face.
He got to be seen by the person.
He has to be seen. Yeah. So he has to pick
I'm
up a
not
bullet.
trying to get shot.
Fuck that. So you got to pick up a bullet in front of that guy and arch your back and put your butt up in the air so he can see. That's how we're gonna do it. All right. Deal. First one up, headshots, 10 shots. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it. Is that one?
No.
Come on, focus. Oh. 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 Oh.
That area don't count.
No, that's still a headshot. That's all head. That's headshot. No, that's still head. That's a head. That is a fucking, yeah, but that's still everything.
No, that's neck.
Bro, if you shoot somebody in the neck, what is that called?
The bottom.
neck
That's,
shot?
no, it's a fucking headshot.
It's a neck shot.
No, it's a headshot. That's dead. You're dead. If you get shot in the fucking neck, you're dead. Yeah, exactly. That's a headshot. So that's headshot.
How much you got? 2, 4, 6, 7?
What do y'all think? Y'all think the neck is a headshot?
I'll
or not?
take 6. It's still 6 without the neck.
Okay. All right. All right.
That's fine with me.
All right. They want to be little crybabies and act like the neck ain't a headshot. I mean, you get shot in the fucking
Lorenzo,
neck.
it ain't your fault you don't got a neck.
Oh, you coming out the sweater? Oh, okay. All right. Let me get a little back flex one time. There you go. Yeah, let me get the back flex with a little arch. Let me get a little arch. All right, here you go. 10 shots, headshots. Go. My God. Good job.
You picked it up at the end.
Yeah, you
Whatever
picked it up.
did at the end, get it up.
No. Jake, let's go. Let's subtract 1, Jake. That's a neck. 1. Uh-oh. No.
That's 1.
That's 2. That's 2. Yeah, there's 3. It's -1.
-1 is 2.
No.
There's 2 though.
There's 2
Where?
minus
One on the
1.
very top. That's the one that shot
The
first.
neck doesn't count.
Yeah, we're not counting the neck. We're not.
3.
No.
How do you
Look.
see? There's a
Look at
4.
okay, listen. I want you to listen. There's a neck one. The neck one don't count. There's 3 up top. -1. That's 2 shots.
That's what I said.
That's what we just said. Oh my God. I don't know what the hell.
He's scared. He's gonna walk away.
The walk of shame.
The walk of shame. You better be ready. You better be ready. You better practice. Two? Yeah.
It's hard to figure the gun out. It's hard to figure the gun out.
What do you mean?
I can't figure it out. It's hard.
How about this? I'll let you shoot with mine here.
Wow. All right, here we go. Last round, guys. It's the last round. Headshots, last round. I got 2, I think. Yeah, I got 2. Everybody else got. Wait, Wait, I got 2. Jake got 2. Jose, Lorenzo has 4.
6.
So hey, is WURRRK gonna do a comeback like I did with Keisha yesterday?
Damn.
I don't know.
What you mean about all that, boy? Calm down, boy. Come back, boy. All right, second round. Let's go. You already got 6 up there, right? Oh, you only got 1. Yeah. Damn, come on, Lorenzo. See if you can come up to Jose. You went too fast. Yeah.
Bad Lorenzo.
About him.
Nothing, Lorenzo.
Damn. Nothing. Jake. What are you doing, Jake? None, Jake.
I got 1 in the corner.
No, that's none.
Nick.
That's neck.
Yeah, 3.
That's neck.
That's next.
So none, and 1. Where's that comeback at though? I'll show y'all.
You don't want to use my
Huh?
You don't want to use
Nah,
my
I'm good, baby. I got mine. I'm good.
Shit, both mine got battery coils.
Do they?
Yeah.
Let's see if he at least gets more than 2. Neck. Three. Four. 5. 6. 7. 8. Hey!
I told you.
Hold up!
Hey, who lost though?
Back on that ass.
Who lost though?
Who lost? All
Who
y'all
lost,
lost. What you
though?
mean? Hold on, wait. Time out. Time out. They said I wasn't gonna come back, baby. I told
I
you.
told you you were like came back on Keisha yesterday.
I whooped all of them. Yeah. But hey, the one that lost the main was Jake.
Yeah.
Jake lost. Jake, go do the bet. Go do it, Jake. Go do it. Go do it. You lost the bet. You lost. You're down. Wow, y'all see that? You don't want to do the bet because he lost. Go do the bet, Jake. Go. Just act like you. Go do the bet, Jake. Go do the bet, Jake. Jake, go do it. You lost.
I know I lost.
Just go pick up a bullet. Just go pick up a bullet
Hey,
and arch that back.
Hey,
Do it. No, it's no, do it. You better go do it, Jake. You're yo, work fam. He is disappointing us. You're disappointing us. Oh no! Too late. Too late. Fail, Chad.
I think we tied up.
Alright, we're about to check. We're about to check. We're about to check, guys. Know that Jake lost for sure. Did not do the challenge. Everybody else here, we've done it. Jake didn't do it. Y'all need to put in the chat. I mean, in the comments. Put in the comments. Jake's lame. Put Jake's lame. He didn't do the bet. All right, we're gonna start off with Lorenzo.
I got 5.
Let me see.
2.
We got 1. That's 2. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's better than last time, bro. All right, we got Jose's. That's a neck shot,
Yeah.
I guess. So we ain't counting neck shots. What do y'all let me know in the chat? I mean, in the comments, guys. Let me know in the comments and let me know if a neck shot counts for a headshot. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Told you.
Damn. All right. We got Jake. That's all neck shots. That's a neck shot. 1, 2, 3, but it was -1 because he did that when he was shooting at the chest, guys. So 2 shots for Jake.
No, I think this one.
Yeah, I think that's a headshot.
That's a headshot?
Yeah.
All right, then 3. So 3.
Yeah, because here's neck below.
Yeah.
All right, so you got 3. So 3,
4.
5,
Oh, yeah, 3.
no, 4.
5.
Oh, 5, and then 8. And then here's me. That's neck, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, y'all
I got 8. We tied. We tied though. We tied. All right. Well, me and Jose tied. I gotta whoop him now. But we tied. We're gonna keep it at that. We tied. But Jake did lose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All
Yeah,
that shit
Jake-
talking.
All that shit, yeah. Yeah, let him know.
Let him know. Can't even do it.
All right, that's gonna be just 2 rounds, guys. We're gonna go ahead and just start testing out all our guns and stuff like that, getting a feel on all our guns, letting the boys shoot my gun. I'm gonna get to shoot Jake's guns, and then we're gonna check out Lorenzo's 9.2 as well. So we're gonna be checking all the guns and getting a feel of all of them just to have fun and stuff like that, okay? All right, Lorenzo. Ah, damn, Lorenzo. Gentle. What do you think?
It's too. It has a bite.
Like an overbite?
Like, you know how you nibble something?
Nibbling that dick.
Yeah. Whenever you nibble it, you over
All right, we got Jose shooting 509. Oh. Oh shit. It's probably a bullet. Cock it. There you go.
That's pretty cool. Big recoil.
Yeah? Just that?
It's a big recoil compared to mine.
Yeah.
You'll see a difference on that one.
Okay. So the 509, he said it had a bigger recoil on it. That's his opinion. Roll it down, Jake. Oh,
I'm not competing no more.
I know, but still, you still want to shoot in the middle? No. You're getting like 2 in the middle right there already. What do you think? Opinion on the Beretta? It's less? I liked that one when I did the competitions with this because it was a lot less recoil. Okay, I'm gonna do your Glock. I'm not a big fan of these, but I don't know. I've never shot one, so it's my first time shooting one. Breathe. Bad. Look at that.
That's not fat, that's thick. That's not fat, that's thick.
You should have good with the thumb.
Thick. You shot good with it.
Shot good with it.
You shot real good with it.
Just, my opinion is it's too bulky. Look at this shit.
That's not bulky.
That's too bulky, man. I got big hands already. It's too bulky, man. I feel like I just can't. Like, no, I just can't. I don't know.
You like little things in your hand, that's why.
No.
That's why you like little things.
Jake checking out the 9.2 as well.
Stick though.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
I guess I'm not used to different guns. I'm used to my Beretta, you know.
Yeah.
You're used to that thing slapping you in the forehead.
It's alright, but it's bulky, but it's top heavy.
I don't know. I didn't think it was top heavy, but I just thought it was bulky.
It's top heavy, so that way you can keep it down. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Damn, that hair though, look at that.
You know what I'm saying?
No more curls.
No more long hair. Okay, it's gone.
Use that Viper. Use that Viper.
Yeah, the sight's off a little bit.
Yeah, it's still on.
It's off?
It's off.
Yeah, you can tell it's off.
The dot is off a little bit. It's got a bad recoil.
It's very uncomfortable. So I don't like that. The recoil on it is hella crazy. Not gonna lie. It's very jumpy. Good gun, but
Which was better?
a little uncomfortable.
Which did you like better, the Glock or that one?
To be honest, I'll probably say the Glock. The Glock was a little bit like accurate.
Yeah,
You know what I mean? Like if I wanted that shot to go, it was good. But this was just a little bit more. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
That's just my opinion.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that is like the stuff in his hands.
Oh, but got that bang, boy.
It's pretty good. It's small.
Yeah?
It is. It's not for the shooting. I mean, it's for the shooting range. It's more concealed carry.
Yeah.
Comfortable. Like, it fits right in your hand. Like, it's tucked in real good.
Yeah. And the shots?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's comfortable.
Okay.
It's comfortable, but it feels really small.
It's small, right?
Yeah, it's really small.
I got that one, Glock, and I'll probably go with that one. Just comfortable wise.
Conceal wise too.
Yeah, conceal wise too. Recoil wise, probably Lorenzo's.
Now we're working on the ARs. We got the ARs out here with the shotguns. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Let's get it. Why are you shooting like that?
So it's go faster.
No, you shoot with your trigger finger, not your damn middle finger.
I can shoot it with the
Hey,
fuck
Jay,
out.
what does he think it is?
It's an Xbox controller.
Oh my God. What is your problem, guys? Y'all let me know what y'all think about Lorenzo shooting like that. This boy's shooting with his fucking, what is this called, an index finger?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's shooting with the index finger. Yeah. Well, yeah, how do you feel about him shooting like this? He said freaking paintball gun.
One of ours.
Go ahead.
Take yours
What you think? Like it? Shoot it straight. That's it.
I need a shotgun now.
You need a what now?
I need a shotgun.
Alright guys, we're back in the car. Forgot to do an outro and Jose just reminded me, damn it. We had a little bit too fun with the ARs. We got into the ARs and we went crazy.
Because somebody.
Oh yeah, we got in trouble. As y'all can tell, this mother sucker was shooting like this.
Constantly,
like,
trigger finger.
Yeah.
Thought he was playing Apex
Like,
or Call of Duty.
what the hell? I don't know what his problem is.
I don't know what you're talking
I
about.
don't know. Y'all know Lorenzo, man. Lorenzo, I don't know. It's just, I don't know.
That's what makes Lorenzo.
Yeah.
You said it was a paintball finger right there.
But I did zero out my scope this time, so now I'm hitting shots. I was hitting my shots, wasn't I?
Yeah.
I was hitting my shots, guys.
Yeah, he was. In
So
his ass.
next time I'm gonna be showing y'all, man, and it's gonna be zeroed out, and my sight's gonna be zeroed out. We're gonna be good, and we're gonna be showing some content on the ARs, and we're gonna come up with some competitions on the ARs next. So that's gonna be fun. We're gonna do with a 100-yard line, and we're gonna be doing some shooting targets there and doing some competitions right there.
Easy. I don't have an AR, by the way. Marina?
Hey,
Marina.
If you're watching this,
Marina. Marina.
He needs to buy
Needs
one. But yeah, definitely. So other than that, man, thank y'all so much for watching the vlog, man. Hopefully y'all had a good laugh, and if y'all did, man, don't forget to give this video a big like. Hit that share button, And if you are part of this family,
look, Jax.
thank y'all. But if not, hit this up. All right, what?
Jaguars.
Oh my God. Other than that, we'll see y'all later, guys. We'll see you on the next vlog, man. Y'all say goodbye.
Deuces. Peace.
And by the way, I'm still the winner, the champ.
No, I tied up.
I'm still the champ.
You
He
tied.
tied up one time.
You
One,
tied.
the headshots.
You tied.
I got 2 dubs versus 1 dub. That's me. Thank you.
Settle it with a foot race before we end the vlog.
Peace, guys.
Every day I do work just to get it. Every day I did work just to have it. Every day I do work, man. I came from the bottom to the top. Okay.
What do you think? You turned red.
What? Oh my God.
That's crazy, huh?
When?
What's up, Momos? Huh? Yeah, 2 days ago. Jay, you should have saw Jaco's reaction. We didn't get to get Jaco's reaction, chat.
told me.
Everybody.
He said, don't react. My first.
I told him that right when I opened the door. I didn't show him. I said, do not react. He's like, bro, just open the door. I go like that. He's like, oh.
Who is it? Oh, okay, okay.
Oh, shit.
Gotcha. Oh!